Okay, Raphael, you just learned from your school how to use this tool. So it's called a protractor, and this tool is used to measure an angle. Now, if you look at here, if you have two lines intersecting at a point here, we will have an angle. Yes. Now, can you explain how to use that tool to measure this angle?
So the cross over here has to be in line with where the two lines intersect. And the line that's pointing to the 0 has to go on the line that's on the bottom.
Okay.
So then after that you look at the angle, and this one, it's 59 degrees.
Well done. So now if you look at the other side, we also have another scale here, and 0 is also there. Can we actually also use that one to measure the angle?
I think we can.
So we do the same thing, basically put the crosshair. Yep.
The crosshair, and it's
wait. Now, if you look at the 0 line, yeah, it has to align.
That means it's 0 degrees.
Here, very good. Now, if you start from that 0, yes?
Yeah.
And then you start to read from this side. Now, what do we get here?
58 degrees.
So, basically, you can measure either this way, yeah, and then you read 0 from there to this way, 58, or you can also start from 0 like here, yes, and then you go there. But now if you look at here, this is the 0, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
So this back scale thing is what you use if you're looking from this 0.
Yes, exactly. Now let's get some practice, yes? So here I have a triangle, and you see inside the triangle we have 3 angles, A and B and C. Now let's measure these angles, yeah? Yeah, you can start from there.
So the first one is 81 degrees.
Okay, let's write down the number.
81 degrees.
Great, let's do the next one.
The second one.
Now we have to put the, there.
Second one is 51 degrees.
Let me have a look. Okay, very good. And the last one.
And the final one.
Now be careful because your 0 is there, so you have to read this number now, yeah?
50 degrees.
50, okay, let's write down. Well done. Now, how about if we add all of this angle, this, and that one? So let's add them.
Okay.
Oh, okay, great. So you see, this total angle, yeah, is almost the correct number. What happened is actually, if we measure the angle very precisely, yeah, probably, but let's not worry about that, yeah. What I'm saying is, what we have in the triangle, yeah, the total angle
should be 180 degrees.
Yes, exactly. It should be 180 degrees. So now you know how to use the protractor, and that's good. And we can apply the skill, yeah, to measure the angle like this. Okay, very good. Thank you.